take an old cardboard and draw this egg shape and trace it, and then cut it out. So here I have cut it two shapes. Now take pattern paper of any zigzag pattern, or you can use washi tapes one by one as I used in my last card. Now apply glue on the egg. So I have covered the both with pattern paper. Now cut the downside of the egg so that the basket can stand. Now take a cardboard sheet according to this size and place it like this. Glue it with the help of Fevicol. Now give it and now let it completely dry. Now before or after it dries, start pasting popsicle sticks. Apply glue and then paste it. So here my basket is completely dried and I have applied ice cream sticks all over it. And now I have prepared this stripe from sparkle foam sheet. Now I will staple it here. This is the stapler which I am using. My basket took 2 hours to dry. Here I have cutted a piece of paper. Now I will glue it and paste it inside the basket. Like this. Now I have cutted this foam flower. Now I will paste it on the top part of the basket. It will give a more nice look to the basket. Now apply stone in the center of the flower. Now to cover this part, I am taking this paper thread and gluing it. You can use wool also. Or sparkle sheet also, washi tape and jute also. You can decorate this basket more, but I want to make it simple. So if you like this today's craft, so make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video and press the bell icon and comment down below, do you like this basket?